The internet makes nearly everything accessible, regardless of location or device. So, if you're looking for a way to make easy money online in a relatively short period of time, then you're watching the right video. As in this video, I'm going to show you a new strategy on how to make money online with 3 simple steps. What I love the most about this method is that you can do this anywhere you like at your own time. And there is no limit on how much money you can make. Before you start earning money online with this new strategy, there are a few things you need to know. You don't have to invest any of your hard-made money, as it's absolutely free. Also, no previous experiences or special skills are required. It's totally beginner-friendly. And it doesn't matter which country you're from. Anyone from anywhere has access to make money with this new strategy. All you need is your computer or smartphone and, of course, internet connection. Make sure to watch this video until the end, as I'm about to show you how you can make real money online just by copying and pasting and clicking on a few buttons. So just keep on watching this video. But before we start, welcome to Make Money Emma, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about this video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now, let's get back to the video. The very first thing you need to do is to go to this website, digistore24.com. And in here, you can read that Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store, an affiliate network, all common payment methods, and accounting automation, including tax automation. If you're wondering, how exactly can you make money with this website? Then listen up, as I'm about to explain it to you right away. The very first thing that you will be doing is signing up for a free account. And once you have done that, you will get your unique affiliate link that you will be using to promote products. And when you go to the marketplace in here, you can see a wide selection of products that you can start promoting and earning commissions from each sale. And don't worry, as I will be showing this whole process to you step by step. Just stick around and keep on watching this video. As I mentioned before, the first step that you need to do is to create yourself a free account. You can do that by simply clicking on this blue button here where it says Register Now. After clicking on it, you will be taken to this next page where you can fill out your personal information. You can sign up as both vendor and affiliate. In here, create yourself a username. Now, add your email address and create the password. Choose your title. Add your first and last name. Your address here. Then select your country and add your phone number. And tick this box right here to agree to their contract and privacy policy. And finally, click this button here to register for your free account. And now you have successfully created your Digistore24 account. Once you have logged into your account, then you can go back to the marketplace. Here you can see hundreds of products that you can start promoting with just a few simple clicks. When looking at the first product here, you can see that you can earn 85% commission from that, and that is $127. It's a really good amount of money. And the best part is there's no limit on how many sales you can get. Let's say you'll get 10 sales. It means you have earned $1,200 in profit. That is just amazing. You can find all the information for this product in here. And you have the option to promote whatever product you like. You can even promote several ones, as it's all up to you. I would now like to share a great tip with you that will actually save a lot of your time. And you have the chance to earn much more money in a much faster way. See this section here, where you have the option to sort out these products. I want you to click on it and select Sort by Earnings/Sale. By doing that, it will automatically sort out the products for you from highest to lowest commission you can earn. As you can see that with the first product here that is named to Mastery and Monetization by Matt Bear, you can earn $202.49. That's a lot of money. And with the next product, To Monetization and Automation Program, you can earn around $300 commission. That's also a good amount of money, isn't it? I highly recommend for you to use the tip that I just shared with you. As you could see yourself, it will save you hours of time. And as you already know the saying, time is money. You can now choose the product you want to promote. Once you have chosen yours, then you can just click on that blue button here that says Promote Now. After you have done that, you will have an access to your unique affiliate link to promote this exact product. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get back to the video. The next step would be sharing this link with others in public so that you could start earning your commissions. The best place to start sharing your affiliate link would be public forums. And that's why I recommend you to go to reddit.com. That is a very popular social news website and forum visited by a lot of people on a daily basis. On the homepage, you can see numerous topics being discussed by a lot of people. I'm also sure you can find so many topics that people are discussing, and where you can also promote your related products. As the product you want to promote is related to YouTube, then the next thing I want you to do is to click on the Reddit search bar here and search for the topic that is related to your product. Just type "how to boost my YouTube account" to the search bar and click on the search. Then you will see a lot of topics shared by a lot of people all around the world. These people here are searching for answers, as on how to boost their YouTube account. And now is the good time for you to help them. You can simply click on one of those topics here and start socializing and sharing tips and tricks on how to boost their YouTube account. You're just gonna share 3 tips with them by also adding your affiliate link to one of the tips that's related to the product. After that, someone will click on that link and purchase the product, and you will earn 50% of the sale. The best part is that you can promote as many products as you want, and you can communicate with people and reply to as many threads as you can. This only means the more people you reach, the more money you will make with this unique method. Thank you for watching, and that's it. This is Make Money Emma. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.